What is the duty cycle of the output of an astable multivibrator? A 50. B 100. C 75. D 55. The correct answer is 50. Given the circuit below, find the feedback factor. A 3. B 13. C 4. D 14. The correct answer is 14. Given that the feedback factor of an astable multivibrator is 0.3, find the frequency of the output. A 22 Hz. B 20 kHz. C 20 Hz. D 40 Hz. The correct answer is 20 Hz. What is a square wave generator? A flip-flop. B bistable multivibrator. C astable multivibrator. D monostable multivibrator. The correct answer is astable multivibrator. When frequency of oscillation of circuit is less than series resonance frequency Ws, crystal oscillator act as A inductor, B capacitor, C resistor, D transistor. The correct answer is capacitor. The crystal can be used to replace inductor in A RC phase shift oscillator, B Colpitts oscillator, C clap oscillator, D Weinbridge oscillator. The correct answer is Colpitts oscillator. The reactance of crystal oscillator will be inductive if oscillator operating frequency is A greater than parallel resonance frequency, B less than series resonance frequency, C in between parallel resonance frequency and series resonance frequency, D greater than series resonance frequency. The correct answer is in between parallel resonance frequency and series resonance frequency. When frequency of oscillation of a crystal oscillator becomes parallel resonance frequency, reactance of crystal oscillator becomes A0, B infinity, C unpredictable, D unity. The correct answer is infinity. In an astable multivibrator using an op-amp, the feedback factor is 0.5 and the supply voltage is 12 V. What are the quasi-stable output state and the input to the non-inverting terminal? A quasi-stable output 12 V, input to non-inverting terminal 12 V. B quasi-stable output 6 V, input to non-inverting terminal 12 V. C quasi-stable output 12 V, input to non-inverting terminal 6 V. D quasi-stable output 12 V, input to non-inverting terminal 0 V. The correct answer is quasi-stable output 12 V, input to non-inverting terminal 6 V. The resistance in the equivalent circuit of crystal oscillator represents A inter-electrode capacitance, B compliance, C viscous factor, D mass. The correct answer is viscous factor.